Ltd, and today I'm really excited about today's show because we have a special guest. She's a personal trainer, massage therapist, and fitness nutrition coach, and she owns her own gym, Best Trim and Tone Solutions. Welcome, Kathy Ann.
Thanks for having me.
Now, while she gets ready for the kitchen, we'll just have a quick chat. Kathy Ann, as a young entrepreneur, what are some of the things that you are doing for 2024 to bring new persons into your gym?
Well, this year I'm focusing a lot on those older ladies who wants to get in shape, encouraging people to know that you do not have to be 20, 30 or 40. If you are over 50, you can still be in excellent shape.
Because 50 is really not old. When we think about 50, we think over the hill. But 50-year-old persons are out there doing amazing things.
That's right.
Today we're going to be making a dish from split peas. We'll be making split pea cakes. Tell us some of the benefits of split peas.
Now, I am plant-based, so I don't use a lot of meat. Actually, I don't use any meat. So peas are one of my favorite sources of protein. Often we turn to lentils when we want to have protein, but lentils can be a little bit hard on the stomach and cause some gas. So split peas is an excellent way of getting your protein in.
Split peas are amazing. So let's go over the ingredients for split pea cakes. We have 1 cup of yellow split peas. Now you can use the green split peas if you have those, but I prefer the yellow ones. We have 2 medium-sized potatoes cooked. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. We have a bunch of fresh thyme. This is essential. Fresh thyme always elevates the taste of any dish. We have a bunch of chives. I'm going to cut them finely. 1 large white onion. And to bring the heat, we have 1 teaspoon of white pepper, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, oil for frying, and some water to add to the batter. First step is to cook the split peas. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the split peas on to boil because it's essential to have our split peas really soft when we include them in the batter. And while our split peas are boiling, Kathy Ann will go ahead then and start to mash the potatoes. Now Kathy Ann, you would have entered a bikini fitness competition. What motivated you to enter that?
Oh, that's good. This competition is held by Kenny, the ABC Gym. And I find, especially since COVID came, we all got the dreaded COVID. And it was just a way to get myself back into shape. So I decided to go into this competition to get myself back into shape. It's a way of challenging myself. And often in the gym, when I push my clients, they moan and think I'm just doing it to them. So this way I show them whatever I do to you, I also do to me.
That's amazing. So our split peas have been boiling for about 15 minutes. So we need to test them. Go ahead and test this one just to tell me if you think it's ready.
Perfect.
Nice and soft. It doesn't melt. It completely, what's the word?
Together.
It completely mashes between your fingers. Perfect. Peas are ready. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the onions, the chive, and our thyme to it. But Kathy Ann, I'd like you to go ahead and add all the dry ingredients together. So you add the baking powder, the salt, and the pepper. Split pea cakes will not be the same unless it has a bit of pepper. People love the heat. So we're going to mix them together so it's fully incorporated using a mini whisk. Then we'll add both mixtures together. Time to add our mashed potatoes to our peas. But before we do that, I'd like to take the side of the fork and crush the peas. Even though the peas are already cooked, somehow I'd like to have some of them crushed and some of them whole. Now Kathy Ann, go ahead and add the mash to our peas. From the time I started to add mashed potatoes to split peas or even to fish cakes, it has made such a difference. It gives the cake such body. If you don't know how to make fish cakes, I'm going to link it in the iCards above and the description box below. Now we have our potatoes and our peas. We're going to get some water and we're going to add the flour. This will create the batter that we need. Then it's time to fry. Is now done. I would have added a little salt, a little pepper, and some more fresh thyme and some chives, because even though it tasted good, I needed it to taste great. So we added some more just to make sure we get the taste that we want. Now we're gonna fry them, and then it's time to taste. Time to fry, so make sure your oil is nice and hot. Now I'm gonna drop one in first just as a test. See if we hear that sizzle. There it is. Then we will be able to see if it is ready. We'll remove them from the oil once they're nice and golden brown. Our first batch of split pea cakes are done. It's time to taste. We've allowed them to cool for just a few minutes. Now we're gonna taste.
This is really good.
It's really hot. Crunchy on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside.
Full of flavor. You can taste all the fresh herbs. That really makes a difference.
That's it. Using fresh herbs always elevates the taste of any dish. And the split peas, they're not as strong. You could almost think you're eating fish cakes. So for persons who think that you don't like split pea cakes, I encourage you to try this because it tastes amazing. I want to thank Kathy Ann Best of Best Trim and Tone Solutions for being here with us and for sharing her story about entering the fitness bikini competition and showing us the program that she is doing for ladies over 50. If you are interested in being a part of her program, I'm going to link her information below and also in the iCards above, her Instagram name, her Facebook name, and her YouTube channel, so you can go on and check it out so you can get just as fit as she is. Split pea cakes? Now you need to try it. If you enjoyed this video, I want you to look over here, see some of my other videos, and once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.